Today is World Press Freedom Day. It is a day set aside by world leaders to remember the integral role the media must play in building a stronger democracy. Fiji's media have played a pivotal role in telling the truth during some of this nation's darkest times. And since the coup of 2006, the environment where journalists operate in are sadly counterproductive and instill dictatorial modes of governance. The scars of torture, abuse, deportations, and threats still ring loud in the ears of many journalists in Fiji. And sadly, this has affected the standard of reporting, where the truth is suppressed or media agencies practice heavy censorship because of government's vindictive nature and desire to prevent ordinary Fijians from learning the truth. Today, I recall the lives of the great men and women who serve as journalists. I remember those that have paid the ultimate price for their work. People like the late Sitiveni Moce, who as a result of his torture in 2007, passed away last year. I also remember journalists who have been kicked out of Fiji because they reported the truth. Our leaders are allergic to the truth, and they have set in place a media decree that is draconian and that seeks to silence the media. That is why your opposition continues to talk about dictatorship, coups, and repealing the media decree. The dictatorship of 2006 to 2014 continues today under the guise of unprecedented freedom and democracy. Today, journalists still operate under heavy censorship and are not free. Although they are remarkable milestones worth celebrating, I ask journalists to search within themselves for the courage to continue to report the truth and to do so bravely. There are also journalists among us who are props of the dictatorship. Sadly, their only aim is to portray an image of Fiji that is fueled by the propaganda that holds up the messianic Bainimarama image. These men and women who rely on hate and ignorance have no place in the media. And when Sodelpa becomes the government in 2018, these persons will be taken to task for their lies and hate reporting. I wish all journalists a safe and blessed year as they continue to do their work and keep the people of Fiji in touch with the truth. And please remember that good journalism is not a crime.